Hi! What's your name? Zohar. Come on over here, Zohar. You're going to have a seat right there in this chair. We're going to demonstrate an advanced training technique called the workaway. We use this technique on the movie set to make the doc look like they're interacting with our actor when they're really working for the trainer behind the camera. I'm going to place a couple of Carter's favorite treats on the ground for him to focus on. I'm also going to place a prop down. I'm going to move behind him. He's going to respond to only my verbal cues. Speak. Stay. No, back up. Back up. No, let's start over. Good, get back. Get back over here. Get back over here. Don't jump the gun. Sit. Stay. Good, stay. Speak. Stay. Lie down. No. Lie down. Lie down. Good. Speak. On your feet. On your feet. Stay. Stay. Pick it up. Stay. Back up. Back up. Pick it up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Pick it up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Stay. Pick it up. Sit. Sit. Sit all the way. On your feet.